giving what it needs to give. Kept it straight to the point, guys. Same day install shake and go style unit. You guys already know how it goes over here. So all right, y'all, so I'm really excited about today's hair video. Today's hair video is actually sponsored by OMGHerHair.com. So this unit right here is a very cute, guys. Definitely gives that extra nice spring vibe to it. Now, OMGHerHair.com has a new 3D dome cap, guys. Very nice construction. Now this unit is kind of a pre-cut unit, pre-everything unit, guys. It is an 8x6 parting space on this unit, so it's a very nice wide cap. Now with this cap, guys, they actually went ahead and changed things up. So there is a nice kind of like, you know, drawstring hook in the back, so it definitely holds the wig in and kind of makes it more and more secure, which I'm absolutely impressed by. It does come with your standard combs, a large one in the back and 2 on the side, and like I said, there's 8 by 6 inches of parting space, so you get a lot of lace with this unit. So this unit is absolutely stunning, guys. It is a highlighted unit and it is a light Yaki texture. Very pretty. Gives you a nice kind of fresh silk press or relaxed type of vibe. Now this unit, like I said, is the 3D dome cap. It does come with a large comb in the back, and it also comes with 2 combs on the side. Now obviously you guys see that it does have this nice little adjuster in the back, which makes the wig super secure, guys. This unit is an 8x6, guys, so as you guys can see, there is a lot of parting space on this unit, so you can go ahead and do multiple styles. They sent the unit to me in a middle part style, and obviously you guys can see it is already pre-cut. All I'm gonna do is go ahead and add my own spray on the bottom of this one, my tinting melting spray, and keep it pushing. It's gonna be a pretty glueless wig, guys. The cap, look at this mesh paneling in this inner part of this 3D dome cap. So I'm really excited about this color. I think this is gonna come out really cute. I'm not sure I'm gonna add curls to it. I might actually leave it straight. Might leave it in the middle part, might do a side part, but once I put it on, I'm gonna kind of give you guys a vibe of what I'm going for. So as usual, guys, you already know I'm gonna pop this unit off and put this unit. They did a really good job with this color. I am super impressed. I didn't add my tinting spray on yet. I just wanted to put the wig on my head to show you guys how it fits. It fits actually very secure. You guys can see the wig is laid on my head, on my scalp, everything. This is the 8x6, very nice. So what I'm probably gonna do is just trim a little bit of this lace off and spray my tinting spray on it. I'm thinking like I'm gonna keep it straight, but I feel like I want to do like a side part, like a nice clean side part. I think that will look really cute with this one, so I might actually do that. But I do like the color. The density is not too large, it's a very natural density, but the color is giving spring, honey. It's giving spring. So very pretty. Like it. And you guys can see, look at that lace. That hairline, that pre-cut, everything is giving what it needs to give, honey. They did a really good job with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and razzle dazzle it up. It's already looking better. All I did was go ahead and use my Red by Kiss lace tinting spray in the color dark brown. So I already laced, you know, did it real well. Looks very clean. Now I opened the parting space, and I think I'm just gonna leave it in the middle part just because I really like it. The wig fits really good on my head, guys. They did a good job on the cap. Like, it literally, you just adjust that little hook in the back of it and the strap in the back, and you're pretty much good. So I'm gonna go ahead and start hot combing the front. I think I'm gonna keep this straight just because I like it straight. It looks clean, it looks fun, it looks like a nice spring hairstyle, so why not just leave it that way? So I'm just gonna run the hot comb through the front just to make sure everything stays down. Really nice, guys, really nice. And the hair quality is pretty. Like I said, it's kind of like a light Yaki texture, so even putting the hot comb through it, I'm not losing any of its real texture, so it's still giving what it needs to give. I know a lot of you guys think that sometimes when you guys use your straightener or your hot comb, especially I've done it before, it'll leave that print in there. Hopefully we don't get the print today, but it depends on the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little even in the middle part section so I can get it nice and flat. I keep thinking that the middle part is straight, but then it just don't look like it. This is how you know when lace is good. Y'all see how they tweeze this hairline to the T, honey? When I mean everything, the hairline, look at that, how nicely tweezed this looks. And I didn't even cut any or trim any of the lace off. It melts perfectly. Like, look at that. It melts perfectly. Look at that. Ooh wee. So they did a really good job with this one. Like, they did an excellent job with this one. So for the front part right there, sometimes I like when it kind of, you know, doesn't look too plastered down, so you want to pull it over like that just to make it look more realistic and kind of tuck it behind. But you don't even have to do baby hairs or anything with this unit. You literally can just rock it like that. It looks so good like this, so realistic, and you're just aiming to get it nice and flat on the top. So look at that, real nice and flat. And I'm gonna go in with my straightener and do a little extra straightening so that we can get it nice and slick. But this is literally a same day install. literally a shake and go wig, because like, let's go, let's get it. Wig wear. All right, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and do one pass so you guys can see that the texture remains solid. Oh, and it looks slick, honey. Okay, so the texture is very, very pretty. I gotta see what you guys are saying about the hair leaving like a little print. So let's go back over that so we can see if that print diminishes off a little bit. So yeah, there it goes. Ooh, this hair is gorgeous. Like the texture is nice, and when you straighten it, definitely gives like a silk press effect to it, and you can still see that texture in it too. Like this is perfect. And I love how the highlights come in at like a good point. It looks like kind of growing out the highlights a little bit, so it looks a little bit more natural at that point too, because you know when they start the highlights off a little bit too high up, it just don't look right. Like if the highlights started up here, I would just have concern about the wigs. But this wig right here, they did a good job with this highlight come up, and it just, the color just goes so well. This 1B color just goes very well with this kind of like 30 mix right here. So it's very, very nice, like very gorgeous. Like, come on now. And I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna straighten it a little bit. Spray the top for flyaways to make sure everything stays pretty flat. This is gorgeous. Like, talk about a clean middle part. Like a nice, looks just like your hair, a nice clean little middle part look. And I'm actually showing a little bit more forehead than I usually show in today's video. Usually I put my wigs about right here. So this wig is, you know, showing a little bit more forehead. You guys can see it just looks so realistic. Like, look at that. Okay? Look at that. Look at that. You see? All right, y'all, so that is basically it with this unit right here. It's giving what it needs to give. Kept it straight to the point, guys. Same day install shake and go style unit. You guys already know how it goes over here. So the unit is super, super glueless, guys. Very, very nice. Like the highlighted job on this unit is very pretty. As you guys can see, it's still got like a little bit of a light Yaki texture to it. I did straighten it ever so lightly, guys. Didn't do too much. I got the unit to lay down pretty flat. This is a 3D dome cap, guys, so it lays very flat and seamless. You get 8.6 inches of lace on this one, 8x6. If I said that the incorrect way, you know what I mean. But very, very cute, guys. Just look at that hairline in the front. Guys, I didn't do anything to this unit, didn't cut it, didn't tweeze it, didn't bleach it, nothing. It comes to you perfect. So you really can't mess this up. And again, the highlight job that he did on this unit is perfect. It comes at a good area where it's just not coming from the root looking unrealistic. This actually looks natural, like it's kind of grown out, but still giving a little bit of a vibe. Absolutely love this, guys. The unit is a nice density as well too. It's more of a natural density, and you guys can see it's definitely giving something perfect for the springtime. If you're someone that doesn't want something like color that's just doing too much, especially if you're just testing out color for the first time and want to try it out this season, I think starting off with highlights with a natural base, a 1B base, is definitely the way to go. I feel like this color combination right now definitely eats. It's very pretty, and like I said again, it is just so effortless. It's straight out the box, guys. Same day install, shake and go. So if you got somewhere to go, watch this video. It's amateur friendly, beginner friendly, guys. Very, very simple. OMGHerHair.com definitely stepped it up with this one. Again, this is their 3D dome cap, so it does come with a new type of strap in the back, which is better because you don't have to use the strap to irritate you. Sometimes, honestly, the adjustable strap can tend to get a little bit loose over time. So this one is already implanted into the unit. You just go ahead and scrunch it together, and your unit is laid flat, seamless, and gorgeous. Like gorgeous. Like this unit is definitely giving what it needs to give, y'all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's hair video. I will go ahead and leave all the information down below, guys, per usual, and I will catch you guys in a later video. Bye.